G'day everyone, this is the new Jensen 20G that I got from Gil, came yesterday. Spent a fun couple of hours putting this and a 55G together that also came from Gil. I ran it last night and I've run it this morning, and this is going to be its third run. I thought I'd videotape this one and share it. It's coming up the steam now. On the juice, I'm running it at around 80. So, here we go. That's a beautiful big flywheel on these. I think this is going to be as close to Jensen Nirvana as I'm ever going to get. I'll just turn the lights off. Just fix that. The steam out of that stack is going, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it on the video, but it's going all the way to the ceiling. And that engine is not working hard, and it's not, there could be a lot more steam going through that. I might turn this up a bit. Okay, that's on 110 now. What a beautiful beast this is. Little bulb's still got a real dim bit of light coming out of it. Awesome. So happy with this. And thanks Gil for packing this so well. You really, your expertise shows. I think you've done this more than a few times, I'd say, Gil. I reckon you've done this a lot, mate. You really packed this, as you said. You reckon you could have picked this to Aussie. I reckon you could have too, mate. Anyway, there it is. The Jensen 20G. It's bumpy. Thanks, guys. Bye now.